This will be the elevator at Bloedel Hall. At UW, Seattle.
We've got a Montgomery square button here. Oh, it's got the skinny panel. Alright, let's listen to the motor.
Epic. B. Oh, doesn't seem like any of the buttons on this one light up.
I think it's so old, I don't think this generation had that.
Well, most of these square buttons light
No,
up. This
because,
is the only one I haven't seen that does it.
This is the one that has like it's such a basic controller. It's like there's no up or down. It's just one.
Right.
Because we got it on entry, and it
just had an in-use light. Yeah.
It's non-collective, selective.
I want to say this indicator was added on. To be honest,
I think it looks original to me.
just I know a lot of these really old Montgomerys don't have indicators, but
Yeah, it's kind of surprising it has one, considering it's a hydro, but I think it is original. Unless they like added it when they
How'd the relay?
Jewel's busted, but you can see the light.
Oh wow.
That's cool.
Wonder what that is right there.
Nothing worth looking at. Alright, let's go up another time. Alright, let's listen.
This thing loves bumping into the door button.
Let me see the call button out here. Huh.
Does this one have the jewels? Yeah, it does.
Doesn't light up though.
So you take your pick. You get one that lights up, or you get one that's intact.
Yep.
That is cool though.
Yeah, I have not seen a square button Monty with a
Let's go to
non-selective, non-collective controller.
Let's go to basement and then entry where we started.
Alright.
I'm gonna get my cab view here. It's just a basic cab.
It's pretty cool though. I like the green.
Yeah. It's not too much of an ugly green.
Yeah.
Some nice art on the doors. Just like a school elevator should be. Oh look, B and M lit up at the same time. I think this has a very basic controller.
Yeah.
And we'll
Going
go.
up? Going up, yeah. Yeah.
What floor?
Third or second floor, please.
And where do you want to get off at, River?
Entry. We're gonna go for entry.
Okay.
Going for the ride?
He's
Yeah.
interested in old elevators.
Yeah, this is an old elevator from like the 60s.
Oh, I know. You're interested in old elevators.
Mm-hmm.
Tell you what, I'll show you an old elevator if you're interested.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
yes. Yeah. If we can get it to run, we'll see. My office is on the entry level floor though. I got a few minutes.
All right.
I'm gonna bring my key in.
Oh.
What was your interest in old elevators?
Here.